What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy back with another video. Now this is gonna be a different video. I wanted to really put y'all on a game because, you know, if you my age or if you know about business, then you should know of this, but it doesn't help to, refresh your memory. For the younger people, even people still my age that don't know, I believe people think it's as simple as, oh, I'm gonna buy this item and then I'm going to sell it, say for $20 profit. You know, people want to get quick dollars, but I'm here to teach y'all. Sometimes it's good to hold stuff, wait for the price to go up a little bit. But I understand when you first starting, you need to just get that quick money. But I'm here to let y'all know you don't always need the quick fix. So I'm gonna get into all the details, what I'm talking about, and I'm gonna show y'all examples. And yeah, no better person to tell y'all than me, because I remember not having nothing. I'm just buying stuff and selling it right away for whatever the price is. But I'm gonna show y'all how important it is to build capital. Learn to build your capital. That's the only way you're gonna get long-term money. It's like investing. The stock market. You're not investing to say, hey, let me get paid now. You're looking for the long haul. So I never thought I would do this type of video, but I want to get into it. I'm gonna give y'all some examples. I'm gonna show y'all what works for me. Hopefully it can help you. So let's get into it. Remember to subscribe to the channel. That's very important. Don't just watch, subscribe. And let's get into it. Let's get started with just these two items right here. You guys might be looking at this like a Jets water bottle. What's so special about this, right? My fault, y'all. The camera, I ran out of storage, so I'm gonna try to wrap this up as fast as possible. So like I said, the Jets bottle, y'all looking at it like it's a water bottle, and I got a dead stock Jets scarf. So for these two things, I got a lot of stuff. It was at the yard sale. Somebody had a yard sale. I bought these two things $10 each, quote unquote. It was like a deal for everything I got, but basically $10 each, and I'm selling it for $15 up, like each thing. But for now, I'm showing these two things because I sold these two already. I got two Jets beanies and another Jets like a dad hat. The point I'm trying to say is I spent $50 buying them, right? And if I sell everything for $15, I'm going to end up with $75, I believe, right? 15, 15, 30, 30, 30, and 60 plus 15, that's 75. So now you have $25 extra from what you paid for. There you go. $25 off of stuff you just got from the yard sale. Now, for example, y'all seen these. I already sold these, and I still have them, but it's because I'm waiting for the person to purchase it. Y'all see me show these in the video. I got two pairs. A lot of people call this a brick. If you look everywhere, they're sold out on GS pairs. So I bought these for $160. Now, since it's sold out everywhere, I sold it for $190 each. So now you look at the Jets thing, it's $25. You look at these, that's $60 because it's two. It's $30 each I made, and people call those a brick. So now I got 60 plus 25. That's $85. Now these two, let me show y'all. The Chicago mids. I did tell everybody, I don't care if price goes up long term. I'm not gonna hold and sit on mids if they're not Jordan 1 highs. I bought these, right? Mids. So yeah, I got them for a couple days. I've been sitting on it for like almost a week. I bought two pairs of these. It's $125, right? Because I'm a Nike member, Foot Locker member, no shipping, obviously. But regardless, whatever. I paid $125 for this. I'm selling it for $140. Now what? That's $15 a pop. So 15, I sold two, just like the freaking Jets thing. 15, 15. So now we're sitting at, I forgot all the math, added up all the numbers of all the stuff I'm talking about selling. But look, 15, other one, that's 30. So 30 plus the Jet stuff, I'm making $20 profit is 20, 30, 50, plus the 12 I said, 30. There's a whole bunch of numbers. Long story short, I'm probably almost up to 100, right? So there you go, 100. Now, these just came in the mail today. Y'all might be like, what the hell is this? Even I'm saying, what the hell is this? This is a cool sticker, though. Whatever that means. I'm just trying to rush through this because I don't want to waste no more storage and I have to keep deleting stuff. That's why you guys keep seeing these cuts. But this just came in the mail. Size 6, just in case. This is a hot, like, pickup. I like the... I forgot the material of this, but I like that. It's not like a wood one. So this came in the mail literally today. Right? Now these are like fire as a kid. Size 6. Like baby's feet. Baby, you could see yourself in there. Baby feet. Now y'all might be like, where the hell, what is this? Where did I get this from? Whatever it is. It's like a pinata type, like a dress. I don't know what. Long story short, these was on sale and a discount code on the Nike app, right? So I bought this for 50 something dollars, and I was like, I got the insight. Obviously I can't give y'all my sources. The point is, I bought this for 50 something dollars with the discount code from Nike. I sold this on StockX for like $60+. So there you go. I made about $10 profit on this. People think, oh, it's just $10 not worth it. It is worth it because you do this 10 times, that's a whole $100. You got to grind, you got to put in the work. So people ask, how you getting this money? How you getting capital? Start from your money, save your money, sell things, get a couple things, sell everything. What is this? I would never have this in my house, in my possession. I can't tell you my sources, but yeah, stuff like this counts. I would never have this. Size 6. This is a cute size though. But yes. That's what I'm talking about. Build your capital. $10, $12, whatever I'm getting from this. $8, whatever it is. I made $8 without doing nothing. People be doing, you know, whatever they got to do to make their money hourly. But $8, $10, whatever it is. Doing nothing. All I'm doing is taking the shoe and shipping it out to whoever buys it. So, based off everything I just showed y'all, yard sale, picking up some items you know you could sell. Some J's people think is a brick, but if you have a loyal customer, you keep selling to them. When things sell out, people are gonna want, no matter if it's a brick to the world or people want $50, $100 profit. As long as you're getting profit, that's all that matters. So, I'm not gonna do no B-rolls for this type of stuff. I just wanted to give y'all some insight, how to build capital. You don't always have to get home run sneakers, Jordans, Nikes, Air Maxes, whatever, collabs, whatever it is. The point is, I'm trying to tell y'all, build your capital, get this money, keep flipping it and flipping it and flipping it and flipping it. People think it's so difficult. It's not. So, like I said, that's all you gotta do. It's not that hard, but you gotta have some type of money. Whether you get a job and flip your money, whether you get birthday money, holiday money, whatever it is. So, no further ado, I'm out of here. This is something new on this channel. Those sneakers I just showed y'all, the Nikes, I had to film this for this video because I'm shipping this out tomorrow. So, the point is, learn how to invest, learn how to have capital within your money. So no further ado, it's your boy Little Roy, and Supreme Knife. Now I'm gonna be having this to open my packages. But yes, no further ado, it's your boy Lil Roy TV, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment any ideas, comment what you think. Was this helpful for you? And no further ado, yes, make sure you subscribe. Hope. We out of here. Oh yeah, I just forgot before I ended the video, I want to show this because I'll be forgetting and then I go through my camera on my phone, I'll be forgetting. To add to this topic, you know, don't be ashamed to buy used sneakers, but make sure you know there's profit and you could sell it, right? So I went to a pawn shop. They sell everything. I went in there. I'm gonna show y'all the quick little video. I bought these 3 Jordans. One of them I can't even show y'all because I already sold it. The point is, the Jordan 1s that you're going to see in the video, the top 3 Jordan 1s, I bought those for $90. They were selling it for like $120. I negotiated. I got $90 at the pawn shop, and I sold it for $180. $180. That's a whole $90 profit. I just doubled my money by just going to get something that's worthy in a pawn shop. So y'all just seen the video, come post it before whatever. But yes, that's how you build capital. Whether it's used, whether it's whatever it is, get money, flip it, invest, ship your product, whatever. If you gotta sell things in person, cool, do that. But yeah, that's it. And we out. For real this time.